Okay, what can you probably do with your broken panels or damaged panels? When we talk about the panels here, we are talking about one of the components of solar system, which is very vital. And this solar panel, once it is broken or damaged, what can you probably do with it? As we all know that in sustainable energy, it is important we learn what is waste management. And one of the ways of managing waste is by recycling. So when you are going to see your panel broken, you wonder what you are going to do with it. Should I throw them away? Should I just, because it is damaged, should I just leave it like that? No. In this video, you'll be exploring the creative ways and the eco-friendly ways of managing this situation. And by so doing, you'll be contributing to the sustainable values of the future. Now, let's go there. Whenever you see a panel that is broken, okay, whenever you see a broken panel like this panel you can see now is actually broken. So when you see something like this, when it is broken, what can you probably do with it? This panel still has the tendency to be used, and by the usage, there are many ways we can use it. Like just you can see, the first way you can see where this broken panel can be used, I'll be outlining them now. If you are here and today is the first time of watching my video, kindly subscribe. Probably you are using your solar panel and all of a sudden your system starts failing. What are the factors to be considered? If your panel is bad, it can actually affect the system not to function properly. So whenever the system is bad and you discover that the solar panel is broken, worry no more, because you have so many options which you can still use the broken panels. So right now I'll be giving you the 6 basic options that is left for you to do when you see your panel broken. One, we have what we call greenhouse innovations. So in greenhouse innovations, you should be able to know that the system can be sustained when the solar panel are taken for them to be used. So you can actually resell it for another purpose. Then we also what we call the educational tools. You can take your broken panels to schools that needs it for demonstration, either by teaching. Like you can see, I have this solar panel here. It is broken, but it is mainly used for educational purpose. So I will be using it to teach people how solar panel works by them identifying the cells and equally know the composition of the solar panel and the size of the cable. There are a lot of cells that is in this panel. So this panel, because it is broken, doesn't make it useless. It is still useful when you know the right option to take for it. So for instance, this is for educational purpose. I'm using it to teach you that is watching me right now. In the same way, if you have your panel broken, for us to maintain a sustainable future and also maintain eco-friendly environment in our system, you don't need to scatter it anywhere in the community or in the place. Just gather them in a place and put a call across, and people that use it for educational purpose will attend to you. Then we still have another option that we need to take. What is the next option? The next option we have is the community initiative. Community may decide to use it because it is broken and it is no longer effective to serve a particular system that it is designed. The community can use it for either purposes, either for renovation, they can refurbish it and renew it for another purpose. So likewise, when you have something like that, all you need to do is to gather the broken panels and ensure that they are well packaged for renovation. In the same way, we have another option you need to take, which is the recycling option. Recycling option is when the panel is totally broken. Then you can send it for recycling, where they can take it and take out the parts individually and use it for another formation or use it to produce another different thing entirely. But when those panels are together and are broken, you'll be seeing it in the angle of damaged item. But when you take it to recycling, they'll be able to take the parts one after the other and use it to recycle them and produce a different thing. So then if you are taking this option of recycling, always know that the purpose of this community in this channel as you are watching is to create an eco-friendly system where we can sustain ourselves with the available energy that has been given to us naturally through the sun. So when you are doing that, you need to make sure that you take it to the right companies that can recycle it for the waste management. And also, we have agencies that does that for us, either in your state or even in the federal level. They're always available to collect the waste materials and recycle it. Through waste management, we can maintain a healthy environment. We can equally maintain eco-friendly environment so that the things or the particles of the panels cannot get us hot when it is broken. So we learn this by watching this video. I will show you the broken panels and how you can manage them. Keep watching. If today is your first time, don't forget to click on the subscription button while I share more values with you. Let's go there. Okay, right now I want to show you how you can repackage your broken panels. You know, we have panels that are fixed. This is fixed, and we have flexible ones. Perhaps you have your panel broken and you want to make sure that they are properly packaged for recycling. First, you have to remove it from the frame. This is the frame that we use in holding it. So once it is removed, you have to spray it on the floor like this. As it is sprayed on the floor like this, then after spraying it like this, the next thing we do is to turn it. Watch me do it. Turn it like this. You see, once it is done like this, you match on it like this. So now you can see the panel, or the panel. This is 280 watts panel. So I will start folding it the way I can be able to send it to where it will be. This is how to do it. So now you can actually see the broken panels have been arranged in a normal way where we can use it for another thing now. So follow me to the recycle center when I will send it. You will watch the video shortly and see what these broken panels are turned into. Make sure you watch the video, share it, subscribe, and like, and also make your comment. We're always available to give you details and values per time, anytime you comment on our channel. See you in our next video.